Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2018 Kawasaki KX65 motocross bike. This bike has maybe 5 miles on it and is offered for $34.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. New, they sell for $36.99 plus freight and prep, so you save about $600–700 off this one. As you can see, there's the nubs on the tires. They are still brand new. There's nothing on the cases, nothing on the plastic. This is a brand new bike. Again, $34.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This bike is not for the beginner kids. This is a super screamer. It rips, as you'll see when Rob gets on this thing. If you're a first-time rider, I would not put them on this bike, but if your kids are into motocross or have been riding a little bit or a little more advanced, this is an awesome bike to get them started on the sport of motocross. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.